Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the rack and pinion on a Toyota Tacoma. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands and the front wheels are removed. This provides crucial access. Next, locate the power steering fluid reservoir and drain the old fluid. You'll need a drain pan for this. This initial preparation is key for a smooth replacement process, ensuring safety and clear access to all necessary parts before you begin disconnecting anything. Now, let's disconnect the necessary components. Start by separating the outer tie rod ends from the steering knuckles. A tie rod puller can be very helpful here. Then, carefully disconnect the power steering pressure and return lines from the rack and pinion unit, being mindful of any remaining fluid. Finally, unbolt the steering shaft from the rack's input shaft, usually a single bolt, allowing it to slide free. These steps clear the way for removal. With everything disconnected, it's time to remove the old rack. Unbolt the main mounting bolts that secure the rack and pinion to the vehicle's frame. There are typically 2 or 3 of these. Carefully work the old unit out from its position, which might require some wiggling. Once clear, gently guide the new rack and pinion into place, aligning it with the mounting points. Secure it firmly with the mounting bolts, ensuring proper torque. Finally, let's reconnect everything and perform the crucial final steps. Reattach the power steering lines and the steering shaft, ensuring all connections are tight. Connect the outer tie rod ends to the steering knuckles. Fill the power steering reservoir with fresh fluid, then bleed the system by turning the steering wheel lock to lock several times. Check for any leaks and ensure the steering feels responsive before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.